cross compound air pump. It's run on steam. And it goes into it, operates the piston going, and it pumps up the air. The air is used in the train lines for the brake system on the train. The 700 has two of these. This one was rebuilt, and we'll go on to the 700 in the next few months. And we're having another one rebuilt. So we'll have two new operating air pumps. They won't be new, but they'll be refurbished and hopefully operate to capacity. This is the air side, I believe, and this it's cross compound. Air side, this is air side. This is steam. Goes back and pumps back and forth. Air cross compound. I don't know how to describe that. The air goes into a tank, which on the 700 is uniquely built into the frame of the locomotive, where other locomotives you can see a tank on the side, and it holds the air pressure for the air line, which keeps the brakes working on the train. All train cars are work on air brakes.